Hi, my name is Phil from Festool UK, working with Axminster tools and machinery. And you can see that this environment in which I'm standing is lit by SYSLITE KAL II. And this gives me enough portable light to work, and it means that I can see any different types of colours, but also the textures in which I'm working. It then means that if I can see what I'm doing, I'm going to be working in a much more efficient way. However, there are occasions when you need a much bigger beam of light, but also a greater spread of light as well. And this is where we can take a look at the SYSLITE Duo from Festool. And as you can see immediately, with the SYSLITE Duo, we have a whiter type of light, but also a greater beam of light as well. So that means that now I can still see the textures and the colours, but over a much greater area. So the next stage is to take a closer look at the SYSLITE Duo and also the KAL II from Festool. We'll start with the SYSLITE KAL II. On the front we have 12 LEDs for a really strong beam of light to light up exactly where we're working. It has a 180-degree beam, which means that we're not only lighting the front but also to the sides. This means we don't get any shadow lines or any shadow spots in the environment in which we're working. It's a clean light to work from. Underneath here we have a standard tripod fitting, but on the back with this hook it means that on any construction area that we're working we can hang this from a beam or from a ladder, for example. However, internally there's a 7.2 amp hour battery, but if we slide the back off we can use any of the Festool batteries, whether it's 12, 15 or 18 volt, and we can put this onto the back of the KAL II for an extended working life in the environment in which we're working. So SYSLITE KAL II is a very adaptable, portable lighting system for any environment in which you're working. So if we take the battery off, we can then slide this back on. But one of the really cool things about the KAL II is that they're also pretty shockproof as well. So now we can take a slightly closer look at the SYSLITE Duo. With the SYSLITE Duo, there's two banks of LEDs, one on the left, one on the right, and on each bank there's 40 of them. So that gives us 80 LEDs, and again, a 180-degree beam. So the type of light that this gives us is over an extended area, and we can light up a massive room with just a single SYSLITE Duo working. On the top of the handle, there's a small recess here, so you can hang this up, and it's going to hang centrally wherever you want to position this as well. Along the front with this rubber housing, it means that this can put up with a lot of knots in the environment in which you're working as well. But it's rated at 8,000 lumen and 5,000 Kelvin, so we're replicating daylight in a really cool way for working in any type of environment. If we undo the 4.8 metre cable from the cable holder, we can then remove this base plate. And with this base plate, I can attach a piece of ply or some other type of board material onto here, and then we can screw this to a ceiling, and then we can also attach the light onto this as well. So we can use it as a permanent fixture, but it can also be removed if you need to transport it. So for example, if I needed to light up my workshop a bit more, I can have the base permanently on the ceiling, but I can still remove the light from that position as well. On the back here is a little screw holder, so you can also hang this off a wall while you're working as well. However, running a light off a floor or on a bench means we're losing a lot of the light around this area as well. And this is where we can use the tripod for the SYSLITE Duo. And as soon as we start to put this onto the tripod, it means then we have a really good spread of light, and we make full use of the beam of light that the SYSLITE Duo can produce. On the underside of here is a small slot, and with this spring-loaded catch we can then put the Duo onto the top of the tripod, lock it into position, and then this will go up to a height of 2 meters, and then we can get the full benefit of the light as well. So if we bring this one down, put it in that position. However, if you're in a bit of a rush and you just decide to do this, there's a little spring-loaded clamp on the base of the tripod that will stop it from causing any damage. So I hope this has helped your understanding of working with the type of lights from Festool. I'm sure it will improve your working life as well. These are available with service all inclusive, but also from Axminster Tools and Machinery. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again.